I just made $110,000 in one single trade, Diamond Launch, guys. I shared this trade in a private list yesterday on May 3. We bought this coin for 15 cents and they put a seller up here at $2, 1100%. Sounds incredible, right? But I'll teach right now how this thing is possible to do it. It is legal and we trade together because together we are strong. Let me show you, first of all, let me show the trades I shared in the private list on the last 4 days. Let's go to private list right here. Trades I shared in the private list was Furo Combo, Sentinel Chain, Iguverse, Marinade, CoFiX, Diamond Launch, guys. Like I said, Diamond Launch just the last hour, the volume is $12 million. Guys, I just made $180,000, 1800% profit in 4 days. It is possible. Do you know how? Because my soft calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Remember, buyer must control the market. You only jump trades with high buyer power. You just need to surf the wave. To get those trades real time, guys, trade crypto time at gmail.com. Remember, this is a worldwide market, guys. You're gonna trade crypto worldwide anytime, anywhere. All you need is a laptop and internet and $1,000 to start. That's all. You're gonna copy my trades, guys. Also, are you alerted when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos, guys? This is the main cryptos. We are track them 24/7. Take a look at the volume spike on those main cryptos, but nothing changed in the price because there is no buyer power behind the scenes. Okay, all these moves happen behind the scenes. Let me show you something here, like a Diamond Launch. You don't see any volume change right here at all, right? Remember, Diamond Launch is being traded in several exchanges, guys. Now let's go to CoinMarketCap and I'll show you right now the difference, how I found those coins. Right here, Diamond Launch. Right here. The volume was $40,000 on May 30, okay? On June 1st, the volume was $120,000. June 2nd, volume was 160. Today, before the pump, the volume was $250,000. The volume pump for $40,000 to $248,000. The volume pump 500%, guys. 500%. What's gonna happen? The price will pump. And I share my trades in the private list because all the trade crypto members buy the same coin at the same time. Increase the buyer power and you all make money. Remember, trade crypto time is the way to go. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I control the entire market from the software. And let me show the trades I share in the private list during this week. There's all those trades. Take a look how many trades. Guys, you only need three trades a week. That's all you do. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.